Hi friends, a very good afternoon to all of you and a warm welcome once again on the YouTube channel of BYJU'S Exam Prep. Now this is our next session for all the students who are preparing for CMAT 2024 examination. In this session we'll be discussing some questions on logical reasoning, and this is part number 11 of this series of sessions that we have already started a few months ago for all of you. So friends, welcome back once again. I'm Gourav Gupta. Today I'll be discussing some independent questions on logical reasoning from various like from different topics that comes under logical reasoning, and I would say that each and every topic has its own relevance. So in CMAT examination you can expect at least one question from each of these areas that we'll be discussing today. So we'll be solving somewhere around 10 questions, which will include miscellaneous areas, which will include different topics from logical reasoning. Now, I hope the preparation for CMAT examination is going good at your end. Thakur, you are asking CMAT का notification कब तक आएगा? Jyoti, you're saying, so my course has expired and want to unlock my tablet, but whenever I'm calling BYJU'S technical team is unavailable. No problem, Jyoti. Jyoti, I'm leaving behind my email ID. Okay. So what you can do is you can email me, right? So wait, just give me a few seconds. I'll post my email ID in the chat box. Okay, so this is my email ID. Please write an email to me. Make sure that you mention all your details about your about your registration, all your registration details as well as your course, and I will forward your mail to the technical department, and I will also do the follow up of this mail. All right. So please do not worry. You are an enrolled student. You will definitely get all these things. Okay. So do not worry at all. Sir, I have cleared IMT Ghaziabad. Should I give CMAT for JBIMS? Thakur, JBIMS is, I would say that it is considered as one of the top B schools of the country. It comes under, easily comes under top 5 B schools. All right. IMT Ghaziabad, on the other hand, is a good college, but definitely it does not come in top 10 or top 20 colleges of the country, right? So if you are ambitious, then I would say that you must definitely try for JPIMS. Also, one more thing, since you have already secured a seat in IMT Ghaziabad, so make sure that you do the initial payment. Okay, secure the seat. In case you are unable to clear JBIMS, in case you are unable to get a better college than IMT Ghaziabad, then you will have a backup option. All right. So make sure that you reserve a seat in IMT Ghaziabad and then attempt CMAT examination for JBIMS. All right. Okay, friends. Now, in case you have any kind of general query like this, you all can post in the chat box. Like while we'll be solving questions in today's session, I'll be answering to each of these queries. All right. So, friends, let's start solving the questions of CMAT Logical Reasoning, part number 11. Now, the first question will appear on your screen in a few moments. All of you be ready with your pen and rough sheet to do the rough work. Here is the first question on your screen. Find the missing number in the following series. Find the missing number in the following series. Abhishek, I'll not be able to tell you the percentile on the basis of marks. Thakur, you're saying that you cannot afford the fee of IMT Ghaziabad. Never mind. In that case, you don't have any other option. If you don't want to enroll in IMT Ghaziabad because of the fee, then you must go for other colleges in which the fee structure is less as compared to IMT Ghaziabad. All right. There are some numbers which are given on your screen, and there is one number which is missing in between these numbers, and you will have to find out this missing term. So, any answer for this? Jyoti, please look at the spelling of my email ID, gaurav.gupta numeric 1 at byju's.com. Okay, please carefully look at the spelling of the email ID. All right, one of the answers I've got 436 by Thakur. Okay, so let's do the first step. Let's go for the first step in which we will calculate the difference between the consecutive numbers. So first of all, 72, 192, the difference is 120. Now in the next case, the difference 192 say 293, the difference is 101. In the next case, the difference is 80. Now the next difference is unknown. Now look at these numbers 120, 101 and 80. Now how can I relate these? Now 120 can be written as 11 square minus 1. 101 on the other hand can be written as 10 square plus 1. 80 can be written as 9 square minus 1. So it is basically the square of consecutive numbers in decreasing order with an alternate minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so 11 square minus 1, 10 square plus 1, 9 square minus 1. Then the next difference should be 8 square plus 1. All right. Now I'll check if it satisfies or not. Now 8 square plus 1 is 65. So 373 plus 65, if I'll add these two numbers, so it will be 8, 3, 4. So 438. Now 438 से 486 पे अगर मैं जाता हूँ, so what is the difference here? So let's check the difference. 36 and 12, this is 48. Now can 48 be written in the similar way the other numbers were written? 48 can be written as 7 square minus 1. So yes, the series is completed here. 11 square minus 1, 10 square plus 1, 9 square minus 1, 8 square plus 1, and then 7 square minus 1. So yes, 438 is validated from both these sides. Okay, so I can say that 438 should be the correct answer. Now the students who have given 436, I can see that plenty of you have given 436 as your answer. Now if you have any logic which can prove that 436 is or can be one of the answers, so please do write your logic. I will cross check the logic. If it is correct, then we'll have a look at it. But I believe that this is the only logic that will fit into this question. Okay, okay. So 438 is the correct answer of this question. So if you can tell me the logic, the proof behind 436, we can discuss it. Else, let's move on to look at the next question. So 438, option B is the correct answer of question number 1. Looking at question number 2. Now, question number 2 is four friends Ajay, Vijay, Hari, and Yogi are standing in a row facing north, but not necessarily in the given order. Vijay is standing adjacent to Hari, but not adjacent to Yogi. How many arrangements are possible? Now, Vijay is standing adjacent to Hari, but Vijay is not standing adjacent to Yogi. So, Vijay and Hari are adjacent. Vijay and Yogi should not be adjacent to each other. Considering these facts in your mind, find out the number of possible arrangements in this. Any answer for this one? Okay, so let's have a look at it. Two answers, 8 and 10. Okay, so let's check it out. What should be the correct answer of this question? Okay, now we only know two conditions that these four friends, obviously they are sitting in a row facing north. Vijay is standing adjacent to Hari. So Vijay and Hari are adjacent, but not adjacent. Vijay is not adjacent to Yogi. Now, there can be two possibilities as far as Vijay and Hari are concerned. So, Vijay can be on the left hand side of Hari, or Vijay can be on the right hand side of Hari. Okay, so if I'll assume that Vijay is on the left hand side of Hari, so this particular thing, okay, and Yogi is not adjacent to Hari. Okay, sorry, Yogi is not adjacent to Vijay. So Yogi Vijay ke adjacent nahi hona chahiye, right? So there can be different possibilities. If Vijay is on the leftmost chair, okay, then Yogi can come here, Ajay can come here, and they can interchange their places. So these are the two ways in which they can be seated. All right. Now, next is if Vijay and Hari are sitting like this. So Yogi cannot be adjacent to Vijay. So Yogi cannot be on chair number 1. So Yogi can only be at chair number 4 and Ajay at chair number 1. So there is one possibility like this. And finally, if Vijay and Hari are at chair number 3 and 4, okay, then Yogi has only one place to sit, like chair number 1, and Ajay has chair number 2 to sit. So this is one possibility, right? So right now I have four possibilities. Now if I will take the mirror image of these arrangements, so look at the first one. If I'll start Vijay from the rightmost chair, then Hari, then for Yogi and Ajay we'll have two possibilities, then Ajay, Vijay, Hari, and Yogi, and Vijay, sorry, Yogi, Ajay, Vijay, and Hari, like this. So once again, we have four more arrangements. So in total, 4 plus 4, I will have 8 arrangements. All right. So in the first set of arrangements, Vijay was on the left hand side of Hari. In the next 4 set of arrangements, Vijay was on the right hand side of Hari. All right. So 4 plus 4, I will have a total of 8 arrangements. So the correct answer should be option B, that is 8. So Aryan and Amritanshu, two of you have given correct answers. Unique Foodie, Friends, Spandana, three of you have given different answers. So two of you have given 10 as the answer. If you have any other arrangement other than these 8 arrangements that I have made, please tell me, else we can go ahead. The correct answer here is definitely 8. So there are no more than 8 arrangements. All right. Okay. So what you have to do in such questions, you have to go in a particular direction so that you will not miss any case, or you will not replicate, you will not duplicate, you will not do the duplications or triplications of the cases. Okay. So one case need to be considered once, and only the valid cases should be considered. Okay. चलिए, so question number 2 is over. Question number 3, find the missing term in the following series. A very easy question. I want each and every one of you to give a correct answer for this. सही आंसर आना चाहिए सबका. So the alphabets are A, E, K and S. You will have to tell me what will be the next alphabet in this series. Okay, please write your answer as option A, B, C, D. Okay, so in terms of option, write your answer. Option A, option B, option C, or option D. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll start by writing the number equivalents of all these alphabets. ठीक है, इन सब alphabets का number equivalent लिख देते हैं. So A is 1, E is 5. What is K? K is 11 and S is 19. ठीक है. Now write the difference between these numbers. So here the difference is 4. Here the difference is 6. The difference is 8. Isn't it a very simple question, guys? So the difference of 4, 6 and 8, what should be the next difference? The next difference should be 10. So 19 plus 10, it should be 29. What is the alphabet equivalent of 29? Now alphabet equivalent of 29, so 29 in case of alphabets can be written as 29 minus 26, that is 3. Okay, so 29 or 3 are equivalent. Now the alphabet equivalent for 3 is A, B, C. So the correct answer should be C. The next term in the series should be C. So the correct answer is option D. Now a lot of you have made changes. Okay, so yes, option D is the correct answer. Option D, that is C. C is the next term in the series. Okay, lovely, good. ट्राई करो एक ही बार में करेक्ट आंसर आए. ठीक है, यू डोंट नीड टू मेक द चेंजेस बिकॉज एग्जामिनेशन में ये ऑप्शन मिलेगा नहीं. एग्जामिनेशन में क्या होता है, हम आंसर मार्क करते हैं. Okay, and then we quickly move on to the next question. Okay, so here we are stopping on the question. You have given the answer, I have started the discussion, you have time to change your answer. Examination में ये मुश्किल होता है. ठीक है, so try to find out the correct answer in one go. Okay, so option D, that is C, is the correct answer. Let's look at question number 4. Now question number 4 is a question on direction senses. Direction senses का question है. Be careful while drawing the diagram. Quickly post your answer. Just need to be careful about the distance between any 2 points. make a proper figure. Now, a lot of mistakes can be avoided if you do the rough work a little fairly. ठीक है, so rough work थोड़ा सा अच्छे से करोगे, अगर handwriting clearly लिखोगे, okay, and you use proper space for the rough work, then you can avoid a lot of errors. चलिए start करें फिगर बनाना. All right, meanwhile I'm getting the answers. The first answer is option C, that is 12 meter east. Next answer is option A by Aryan. Okay, so two answers already. Let's start drawing this figure. Now we all know the directions north, south, west and east. Okay, so no need to discuss on that. G is 19 meters east of H. So if let's say H is this point, G is 19 meters east of this. That means towards the right hand side, 19 meters east. So this point is G. Okay, this distance is 19 meters. Correct. Next, G is 6 meters to the south of J. J के south में G है. So G is below J. So J will be above G, north. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So this point is J, and this distance is 6 meters. Okay. Now next, K is 25 meters east of J. 25 meters east of J is point K. Correct. Next, K is 12 meter north of L. 12 meter north of L. So L नीचे आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. So this is point L. This is 12 meters. Done. ठीक है. आगे चलें. Now M is 44 meter west of L. L का west 44 meters. So 44 meters, look at this, 25 and 19. 25 and 19 का sum कितना होता है? 44. Okay. So M is 44 meters west of L. That means on the left hand side of L. So ये वाला जो point है, ये क्या हो जाएगा? This will be M. Done. And this is 44 meters. So I can say that M and H are on the same vertical line. ठीक है? M is exactly below H. So the question is this: how far and in which direction M is with respect to H? Now with respect to H, obviously M is in the south. So south एक ही option में है, so answer directly mark कर सकते हैं. But distance भी देखना है. So what will be the distance? So this distance will be, look at this distance 12 and look at this distance 6. So the distance between H and M will be 12 minus 6, that is 6 meters. Okay. So the point M is to the south of H and it is at a distance of 6 meters. So the correct answer should be option A. Plenty of you have given the correct answer. Now once again, a small suggestion to the students. Please take 10 seconds extra, 10 सेकंड एक्स्ट्रा ले लो, but try करो correct answer आना चाहिए. ठीक है? Right? So some of you have still given an incorrect answer. Guys, ये बहुत easy questions हैं. इनका incorrect answer नहीं आना चाहिए. ठीक है? So make sure that next time you are giving me a correct answer, right? So just take 10 seconds extra. You need not to be the first person to give an answer. You should be the one who is giving a correct answer. ठीक है? So correct answer चाहिए मुझे, पहले नहीं चाहिए. So time is not important. The accuracy is important. Okay? All right. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 5. Just quickly replace these alphabets with the arithmetic operators, apply BODMAS, calculate the answer, and post your answer. All right. चलिए solve करें. Now D means plus, N means divide, D means again plus, 7 plus 21, then T means minus, S is multiply, and D again means plus. Okay, so first of all I'll simplify this and this. So 42 divided by 7 is 6, and 5 into 2 is 10. Okay, so it is 15 plus 6 is 21, 21 plus 21 is 42, 42 plus 8 is 50, and then minus 10. 50 minus 10 is 40. Correct answer is option C. ओके, बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन था. अब इसमें भी अगर गलती करोगे तो फिर स्टडीज, रिवीजन, कंसेप्ट्स दोबारा से स्टडी करने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है, चलो. So question number 5, option C is the correct answer. Let's quickly move on to look at question number 6. Question number 6 is a question on blood relations. Now please be very careful with the directions that are given. I'm once again saying that be careful with the directions. The directions are not given in the normal manner. They are given in some different manner. Again, I'm suggesting you to look at the directions carefully. Okay, now the difference here is, now P percentage Q means Q is the sister of P. Generally क्या होता है, P symbol Q means P is something to Q. यहाँ पे उल्टा दिया हुआ है. Okay, so P percentage Q is Q is sister of P. P star Q means Q is father of P, and so on. Okay, so you have to be careful the way directions are given here. Okay, so first direction is R percentage M. Now R percentage M means M is sister of R. So if this is R, M is sister of R. I'll use the circle for female and a box for male. Next is M at the rate S. That means S is the daughter of M. S is the daughter of M. Wait. I'll draw it once again. So R, M, M is the sister of R. Then S is the daughter of M. S is the daughter of M. Done. Now S star A. A is the father of S. Father of S is A. So M is already the mother. So A will be the husband of M. A is the father of S, will be the husband of M. All right. Perfect. Now next, A hashtag B. So B is the mother of A. B is mother of A, and B dollar C. C is the husband of B. C is the husband of B. Now this is the complete family tree. Then how is S related with C? S is here at the bottom and C is at the top. S is female. So S is C's son's daughter. मेरे son की daughter कौन होगी? मेरी granddaughter. So the correct answer should be option D, that is granddaughter. Okay, so option D for question number 6 is absolutely correct. Let's look at question number 7. Okay, nice. Now 5 players ABCD participate in a race. No two people finish the race together. Okay, so there are 5 people who will finish at 5 different ranks. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now A is the second person to finish the race. So A finished at second place. So this is fixed. B is not the third person to finish the race. So B will not finish at position number 3. E and D finish the race just after one another. So E and D will be together. E is neither the first nor the last. So E will not come at first, not come at last. Okay. If B finishes the race after A. Now B finishes the race after A, right? Now let's analyze this statement. Now earlier we were given that E and D will finish one after the other. So E and D should be at consecutive places. Now they cannot be before A because before A there is only one place left. So E and D should be after A. So E and D can be at 3, 4 or 4, 5. Okay? Also B, it is given that B finishes after A. So B अगर number 3 पे finish करेगा, okay, so E and D will finish at 4 and 5, but B does not finish at number 3. So B may finish at 4. If B finishes at 4, then there will not be any place left for E and D. So B has to finish at number 5. Okay, right? So if B finishes at number 5, then position number 3 and 4 will be for E and D in any order. Okay, E can be at number 3 or at number 4, right? So position number 3 and 4 are reserved for E and D. Okay, so I can say that C will definitely finish at number 1. So this is the question: who finishes the race first? So it is C who finishes the race first, and the correct answer will be option A. Okay, so plenty of you have given option A as the correct answer. That is good. So question number 7, option A, that is C, is the one who finishes the race first, is the correct answer. Let's look at our next question, question number 8. Now question number 8, a very common type of question, order and ranking. ठीक है ना? So इसमें ranks given होती हैं and you will have to find out the total number of people or number of people between any two persons like this. So this is a very common question that is asked in our examination. All right, nice. That was quick. Now, in an exam, Deepak's rank was 19th from top. So I can say that before Deepak, there has to be 18 people. If Deepak is 19th, so before Deepak, there will be 18. And Sneha's rank is 24 from the bottom. So after Sneha, there should be 23 people, right? Now we have to find out the maximum number of students who appeared for the examination, given that 11 students are ranked between them. Now if 11 students are ranked between them, so I will consider that Sneha will be after Deepak. So between Sneha and Deepak, there will be 11 students, and then after Sneha, there will be 23. Okay, so this is what I will assume, right? So now I can count the total number of people. So total number of people, 18 plus 11 is 29. 29 plus 23 is 52. Deepak and Sneha are also included. So 52 plus 2, the correct answer should be 54. So option C, 54 is the correct answer. Plenty of you have given it correctly. Next question, question number 9. Yes, any answer for this? So there are 5 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and 5 subjects are taught on these 5 days. No 2 subjects are taught on the same day. So I can say that one day will have one subject. Okay? Okay, so people are giving option C as the answer. Nice, good. चले discuss करें. All right. So almost all of you have given the same answer. ठीक है. Now W is taught on Wednesday. So on Wednesday we are teaching W, and X is taught on Tuesday. Okay. Now two subjects are taught between Y and Z. Y और Z के बीच में 2 subjects हैं. ठीक है. So Y और Z के बीच में अगर 2 subjects हैं, W is taught on Wednesday and X is taught on Tuesday. Now if we have two subjects between Y and Z, so what can be the positions for Y and Z? What can be the positions for Y and Z? 2 subjects होने चाहिए. So Y and Z can only be taught on Monday and Thursday. Now they can come in any order. So it can be Y or Z on Monday, Z or Y on Thursday, right? Because there are 2 subjects between them, right? So for Friday, there is only one possibility, that is subject V. Okay, so subject V has to be there. So the correct answer is option C, which is correctly given by almost all of you. Perfect, great. Last question for the day, question number 10. Now, question of circular arrangement. Now, six friends A, B, C, D, E, and F are sitting on a circular table for dinner facing the center of the table. B is sitting adjacent to either E or F but not both. ये ध्यान से करना, ठीक है? B is sitting adjacent to either E or F but not both. F was sitting second to the left of A who was sitting opposite to B. E and F are not sitting next to each other. Who is sitting second to the left of C? Right, Rishikesh? So first of all, let's insert a circular table. Okay, so consider this circular table. There are six friends who are sitting. So I will mark 6 points equidistant from each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'll write the numbers just for the convenience. Okay. Now let's start from this. F sitting second to the left of A who is sitting opposite to B. So let's assume that, let's start by placing A at chair number 4. Now F sitting second to the left of A. Now F is second to the left of A, so F will be at chair number 6. And A is sitting opposite to B, so B will be at chair number 1. Alright? Okay? So this particular condition is taken care of. Alright? Now E and F are not sitting next to each other. So E is not sitting at chair number 5. Okay. E can sit at either chair number 2 or chair number 3. Now I look at this. B was sitting adjacent to either E or F but not both. As you can see, B is already sitting adjacent to F. So B cannot sit adjacent to E. Okay. So E will definitely sit at chair number 3. Alright. So the position for E will be chair number 3. Now I'm left with two people, C and D. Now I do not have any other information so that I can place C or D. Now C can be sitting at chair number 5. So C के लिए chair number 5 भी हो सकती है, or it can be chair number 2. So since I'm not sure about the position of C, I cannot find out who is sitting second to the left of C. Okay. So who is sitting second to the left of C? It cannot be determined. So the correct answer will be option D. Option D cannot be determined is the correct answer of this question. All right. So once again, I can see that a lot of you have given a correct answer. That was wonderful. I hope you would have liked the questions that we have discussed today. You will see me definitely in many more sessions after today's session. Understand that this was part number 11 for logical reasoning. So previously we have already covered 10 sessions for logical reasoning, and on the similar manner we have been conducting different sessions on different subjects as well. Also, people, we are running a CMAT 2024 specialized course in which you can enroll, right? So this is a CMAT 2024 crash course, and right now you can enroll for this program at a special price of 3,400. The link is given in the description of this session. Now, this CMAT specialized course has all these features included in this program, including live lectures, engaging videos, mock papers, and a lot of practice questions as well, right? Now, also we are conducting a live interactive workshop which is free for all of you for CAT 2024 aspirants on DILR strategy. This workshop will be conducted on 3rd of April at 7 p.m. You can register for this workshop by visiting our application. You can get up to 90% scholarship on our CAT preparation programs by writing a scholarship test which will be conducted on 7th of April at 11 a.m. Again, you can register for this workshop by visiting our application. How to maximize your score in CAT 2024, a free live interactive workshop on 14th of April at 11 a.m. You can visit our application to register for the same. All India Open Mock for CAT 2024. People, this is one thing that a lot of you are waiting for. All India Open Mock for CAT 2024. Live, it will start from 5th of April and the window will be open up till 14th of April. So register, hurry up, visit our application. You can also try our CAT College Predictor, which is based on your profile score. Any doubts if you have, you can fill in this form. Get social with us on all these social media platforms. Thank you very much for being a part of this session. Have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.